into his native village as supporters gather in huge numbers to bid their farewell to Ajit Dada as he was known. My colleagues Arunil and Nilesh are joining us on the broadcast with ground updates, and Arunil, is going to be a tearful adieu for Ajit Pawar. The connection with Baramati was well known. He was synonymous with Baramati, and the kind of love and the kind of work that he had done with the supporters there. Take us through the details of the last rites and the public viewing that the mortal remains will be kept for. What are the details?
Well, Pratibha, the demise was also shocking, was completely unexpected. When Baramati's son, Ajit Pawar, was returning to his hometown for an election campaigning for the Zilla Parishad polls, that is when the chartered plane in which he was traveling in crashed at the very Baramati airport itself. An emotional farewell for Ajit Pawar, who's also an MLA from this town. You can see an emotional farewell. Elaborate preparations being made over here for the Deputy CM of Maharashtra, Ajit Pawar, somebody who joined politics in the footsteps of his uncle, who already was an established politician in Maharashtra, joined the cooperative movement of Mr. Sharad Pawar, basically leading the cooperative banks, cooperative sugar factories in Baramati. Later on in 1991, joined active politics as an MP from Baramati. Subsequently, he vacated his place as an MP for his uncle Sharad Pawar and joined state politics. He has been an MLA in Maharashtra Assembly since as many as 8 years, 8 terms, beg your pardon. And
we can see a lot of supporters as well who have gathered there. Just a moment, Arunil. Let me also bring in Arunil here. Arunil, over to you. Nilesh, over to you.
Followers which have gathered here in huge numbers, thousands of people have gathered. That's outside the residence of Ajit Pawar in Kathiawadi. Now, this happens to be a significant village for Ajit Pawar and his legacy, which has turned out to be one of ideal villages of our nation of India, which has been a set example for rural development, sustainable development. This village has set somewhat a majority of shares should be given to Ajit Pawar and the Pawar family, and which is why people in huge number have gathered here to catch a glimpse of their beloved Dada, their elder brother Ajit Pawar. You can see people from across the state had made their way to this particular spot, that is the residence of Ajit Dada. For several hours they have been standing in here, not just the Pawar family members, not just the top leaders, but also the Karyakartas, the supporters, the lovers of Ajit Pawar have gathered here outside this particular venue where the mortal remains will be kept for several hours now, and then later on it will be shifted to VP College cremation ground, wherein the last ritual will be performed. But you can only understand the love that Ajit Pawar is receiving today from his followers. States that how Ajit Pawar has for long been serving the city, the state, and which is why the slogans are constantly being raised that though Ajit Pawar has left them, but he will forever remain into their memories, into their heart. That will be a difficult aspect that would be not fading away from their heart. Sir, आप कहाँ से आए हैं और कितने बजे से यहाँ पर?
मैं बारामती से हूँ, काठियावाड़ी से।
आज दादा आपके लिए कितना दुख का क्षण होगा? दादा आज हमारे बीच नहीं है।
बहुत दुख का क्षण है, क्योंकि हमारे गांव वाले भी थे और मतलब मैं एक्सप्रेस नहीं कर सकता वर्ड्स में, पर बहुत मतलब ये महाराष्ट्र का बहुत बड़ा लॉस है।
सर, आप कितनी बड़ी क्षति देखते हैं, कितना बड़ा लगता है कि राज्य को नुकसान हुआ है? हम लोगों से बात करो कि अपने परिवार को खो दिया उन्होंने।
ऐसा नुकसान जो शब्दों में कहा नहीं जा सकता, जो भर के आ नहीं सकता। ऐसा कुछ काम अभी लोगों का कुछ नहीं हो सकता। दादा के पास जाते थे ना, कोई भी काम लेके जाओ तो जब काम होता था तो डायरेक्ट बोलते थे काम होगा, और नहीं होता तो ना बोलते थे, लेकिन उसको ऐसा घुमा फिरा के बात नहीं करते थे और उसका टाइम वेस्ट ना हो, ऐसा दादा का मानना था।
So a man of commitment is what Ajit Dada was known for, and which is being also again raised and reiterated by the followers of Ajit Pawar, stating that this damage is irreparable. This damage is not only for Pawar family but the family of Maharashtra, who for long have loved their leader, who has left them now in a state of shock, and it will be a big damage to the state politics as well.
All right, Nilesh, do stay with us. Arunil, you were talking about the kind of influence that Ajit Pawar has had, always a constant in Maharashtra politics and Maharashtra power.
Well, people's man, that is what Ajit Pawar was known as. As many of the supporters of Ajit Pawar that Nilesh has also been speaking with, we'll also try to get some voices from here who have gathered here at the Vidya Pratishthan ground. Ma'am, Ajit Dada कितने महत्व रखते थे आपके लाइफ में? क्या कितना दुख हो रहा है आपको कि अभी वो हमारे बीच नहीं है?
मैं नहीं बोल सकती.
आप बोलिए सर.
नमस्ते. दुख इतना होगा, आज बात करने के लिए इतना ही नहीं बोल सकता आज.
Many of them are with teary eyes, very emotional. This was the impact that Ajit Pawar, Ajit Dada had in the minds of these people as well. Sir, आपसे अगर बात करेंगे तो आप लोग को क्या कहना है? कितना महत्वपूर्ण रखते थे अजीत दादा आपके लाइफ में? कितना बड़ा वैक्यूम हो गया आपके लाइफ में ये जो अजीत दादा नहीं है?
अजीत दादा का ये जो हादसा हुआ है, अभी तक यकीन नहीं हो रहा है हम लोग को कि अजीत दादा हमारे में नहीं है करके. जैसा हमको कल सुबह न्यूज पढ़ा समझ में आया तो हम.
आपका पर्सनल इंटरेक्शन कोई अजीत दादा के साथ आप शेयर करो कि कैसे वो आपके साथ बिहेव करते थे? कुछ काम लेके आते तो कितनी जल्दी वो काम करते थे? कैसे
पूरा समाज का काम करते थे. वो महाराष्ट्र के बहुत बड़े नेता थे और दादा जाने के बाद पूरा महाराष्ट्र का बहुत बड़ा नुकसान. बारामती का पूरा डेवलपमेंट.
इन दी मर्क्यूरियल पॉलिटिक्स of Maharashtra, Pratibha, it is about regional affiliations, it is about regional loyalties as well. And when you speak about Western Maharashtra, particularly, that's a very big belt, very affluent belt in the state of Maharashtra, a very prominent belt with many of the politicians hailing from here. Ajit Pawar certainly was one of the tallest leaders who followed in the footsteps of his uncle, that is Sharad Pawar, and basically he was also one of the secular faces of this Mahayuti. Certainly the most secular face of this Mahayuti, because if you look at the other two alliance partners, that is the BJP and Eknath Shinde Shiv Sena, they were doing Hindutva politics. Whenever we used to cover assembly sessions in Nagpur as well, Ajit Pawar or his MLAs refrained from going to the RSS headquarters as well.
Okay, all right. Arunil, stay with us. Let's also take in a word from Nilesh as well. And Nilesh, you have also seen him up close as his supporters are also remembering him as somebody who was hardworking, who was open about the kind of power that he wanted and was also working towards it. Is that what the supporters are also going to remember him for? You have also seen him very closely. The kind of man that Ajit Pawar was, the kind of politician that Ajit Pawar was.
Well, yes, indeed, Pratibha, and what we understand, knowing Ajit Pawar, is that he was beyond a political figure. He wasn't just limited to his politics and his ideology. He was a street politician. He used to reach out to people on ground, even after holding several key high-profile portfolios as well. You can only understand that one individual who had been DCM into several governments for several long years is still on ground, still picks calls of the Karyakartas and still finishes the task that reaches to him, be it a small one or a significant one, that was never intended from his side. He was a man of commitment. That is the words which is now pouring in outside his residence as we speak. You can only understand this crowd explains a lot of what Ajit Pawar was, what was his legacy, which currently stands frozen as of now. People here are stunned, stating that they have lost a family member because Ajit Dada, as they have been calling him, Dada now refers to as an elder brother in the state of Maharashtra. So you can understand that people have been referring to Ajit Pawar as their Dada, stating that one leader, one political figure whose door was always open for any individual who reaches out to his residence. And you can only understand that the crowd is only increasing with every passing minute. It was Dilip Walse Patil a few minutes back, the senior leader from the NCP, who had made its way inside this residence. Now, we are reporting from Kathiawadi, the village which is not only a native place but also one of a village that is setting example for our nation. A village which is self-sustainable is considered to be one of the most sanitized village. Now, as we speak, several leaders are also making their way into this particular residence to give out their tribute to Ajit Dada Pawar. I will try to have a word with the Karyakartas, the supporters who have reached out. Sir, आप कहाँ से आए हैं और कितना बड़ा नुकसान आज आपको लग रहा है?
बोलते हैं.
So you can understand party workers, supporters are finding it tough to speak, holding back their tears, which again becomes very difficult for them. And as Arunil was speaking, that Ajit Dada is beyond political ideologies. He was accepted by all, and which is why people from all walks of life and all age group have reached here. Sir, आप कहाँ से आए हैं?
इधर का
बारामती से ही हैं?
काटेवाड़ी.
कितना काठियावाड़ी से? तो आप तो दादा को काफी करीब से जानते होंगे. कितना बड़ा नुकसान आपको लग रहा है कि आज राजनीति में हुआ है, आपको पर्सनली हुआ है?
सब खत्म हो गया ऐसा लग रहा है, कुछ बचा नहीं.
अब कब से खड़े हैं आप?
अभी 1 घंटा हो.
1 घंटे से खड़े. सर, आप कहाँ से हैं?
इधर का है.
आप भी काटेवाड़ी से हैं, तो आप भी पवार परिवार को, अजीत दादा को काफी अच्छे से जानते होंगे.
जानते हैं ना.
कितना शौक लगा आपको, कितना झटका लगा?
बहुत शौक लगा ना.
कुछ ऐसे पल जो आज आप याद कर रहे हैं कि अजीत दादा से आखिरी मुलाकात कब हुई थी आपकी, उनको कुछ याद कर रहे होंगे आप?
मुलाकात होता है बहुत बार, पण क्या होता है वो उसका काम में रहता है, अपन अपने का काम कर रहता है ना, इसलिए.
You can understand the voices are finding it difficult to speak because they are going through a personal loss, is what they have been constantly stating. Since yesterday, it was a tough time for everyone. We saw how thousands of supporters gathered outside the hospital as well, stating that they wish to see a last glimpse of Ajit Dada Pawar. Last glimpse, they wanted to capture something that they are currently going through. A tough time is what we can understand. It wasn't a loss for only political arena, political landscape, but also onto the state of Maharashtra. You can only understand the crowd which is only increasing, with thousands and thousands of Karyakarta supporters, family members reaching out to Kathiawadi village to catch a last glimpse of Ajit Dada Pawar. The final rites will be taking place from here to VP College. So there again thousands of supporters will be reaching out to catch the last glimpse and attend the funeral to pay their tribute to Ajit Dada.
Okay, all right, Nilesh, do stay with us. We can see a lot of supporters are lining up today. Last rites of the Maharashtra Deputy Chief Minister Ajit Pawar will be performed in Baramati later today. The final procession is also to begin shortly. The cremation will take place at 11 a.m. at Vidya Pratishthan Maidan. Prime Minister Narendra Modi and the Union Home Minister Amit Shah will attend the funeral. His mortal remains were kept at the grounds last evening for the public to pay their last respect. Ajit Pawar's wife, Sunetra Pawar, and son, Jay Pawar, were seen in tears while paying their last respects. Meanwhile, the probe into the tragic plane crash still continues. Airport authority officials, police, forensic teams, and AAIB, as well as the DGC officials, visited the accident site last evening. The black box of the ill-fated aircraft has been recovered, and it is expected to hold the key to piece together the final moments before the crash. The preliminary investigation confirms that the aircraft was airworthy and that the 2 pilots were medically fit. Sources have told Times Now that the airport has a tabletop runway and the aircraft hit the runway edge during landing attempt.
It's a very saddening incident that has happened today, and we are trying to do, according to the protocol, what needs to be done is to investigate into the incident. The teams from AIB, Aircraft Accident Investigation Bureau, and DGCA both are there. So let's see what the experts and the AIB and all, once they investigate, what they are going to say. I think we should base our facts and our assessments on what they say.
We have more updates now coming in. The Pune Rural Police has registered an accidental death report with the Baramati police station. There were passengers, all the details of the incident also being reported. My colleague Nilesh bringing us the update. Nilesh, what are the details of the case, the accident accidental death report that has been filed with the police. Nilesh? All right, we'll try and reconnect that line. The Pune Rural Police has registered an accidental death report, ADR, with the Baramati Taluk Police Station. Arunil is getting us the details. Yes, Arunil.
Well, that is right, Pratibha. Basically, the Pune Rural Police has registered an ADR, that is the accidental death report, with the Baramati Taluka Police Station. We also understand that Bombardier, which is the parent company of Learjet, that was the chartered aircraft in which Ajit Pawar was travelling in, they have also reacted, given out a statement that they will be fully cooperating with the investigative agencies. Whatever communication comes from all the investigation agencies, be it the AIB, Aircraft Accident Investigation Bureau, or ICAO, which is the international regulatory body, or from the DGC as well, they will be cooperating in the investigation process as well as the entire probe process as well. Now, right now, the investigation is happening parallelly, but right now the prime focus, Pratibha, is at the Vidya Pratishthan ground. This is where elaborate preparations have been made for the final journey of late Ajit Pawar, the Deputy CM of Maharashtra, the man who, amidst the regional affiliation politics that has been there in Maharashtra since a long time, it is about regional loyalties. Ajit Pawar has been seen as the son of Baramati, as the son of Western Maharashtra as well. He followed in his footsteps of his uncle, but at the same time, he made his own mark as well. Recently, he could be seen coming out of the shadows of his uncle, that is Sharad Pawar. You can see people with teary eyes gathering over here to bid a final adieu to Ajit Pawar. We'll try and speak to you. How do you feel about it? How emotional you are with Ajit Pawar's passing away?
It's deeply saddening for us. When I got the news, I could not believe it. I was at absolute loss of words after I heard it, and I live in Pune. I immediately came back. My father is connected to him and our family.
You are relatively very young, so how do you connect with a leader like Ajit Pawar? What kind of an impact he has made in your life?
Ajit Pawar is a leader who never did any caste-based politics, any religion-based politics. He always said, "Ki mi kamacha manus ahe. Come with me for work. Don't do any other dirty politics." And for somebody as young as we really looked up to him, and we don't have any other leader at this time who, was that determined towards his work, was that connected to the roots. Even though he was a deputy CM of Maharashtra, he was connected with every karyakarta at the local level.
Ma'am, you are getting very emotional. Thoda baat karoge, please. Possible. So you can see how emotional the supporters of Ajit Pawar are over here. आप बताओ सर, आप कैसे फील करते हो, कैसे रिलेट करते थे आप अजीत दादा के साथ?
अजीत दादा जो बहुत काम करने वाला आदमी था, अभी बारामती में बहुत निधि डेवलपमेंट आप देख रहे हैं, आते जाते रोड का, जो शिक्षण का, हॉस्पिटल का, मेडिकल कॉलेज आप देख रहे हैं, डेवलपमेंट रुकने के हमको जरा ज़्यादा डेवलपमेंट होने की जरूरत है। 5 साल में बहुत होने वाला था डेवलपमेंट।
So me Kamacha Manu said, this is what this young individual also mentioned about. It means that I'm a man of work, I'm a people's person, and Ajit Pawar certainly used to start his day early in the morning, meeting people from different constituencies at around 6 a.m. in the morning. He was 66-year-old, relatively considered young in Indian politics as well. And as I was pointing out, recently he could be seen coming out of the shadow of his uncle Sharad Pawar as well. Ajit, amidst the mercurial politics that is there in Maharashtra, Pratibha, amidst the regional loyalties that is there in Maharashtra, as well as the fragile alliances that is there, Ajit Pawar somehow paved his way to the top because of his bond with the people, but because of his bond with other politicians as well. He had a very close bond, be it with Uddhav Thackeray or be it with Devendra Fadnavis as well.
Yes.
They may be arch rivals, but Ajit Pawar enjoyed a close bond with Eknath Shinde, with Uddhav Thackeray, and with Devendra Fadnavis equally. He was the deputy CM when Uddhav Thackeray was the CM, and he was the deputy CM when Devendra Fadnavis is the CM now, right now.
Yes, he was a man with no enemies. Stay with us, Arunil, because, like you mentioned, Not just to the supporters, to the entire country, his death came as a complete shock. And now we have updates coming in of the Learjet parent company, Bombardier, that has broken its silence on the plane crash, saying it will fully support the investigative agencies probing the incident, adding that the exact cause of the crash will be known only after the probe is completed. So, Arunil, there are many questions that still remain. Was it low visibility? Was it because of the bad weather? What is the cause of this crash? What are the details on the investigation so far? Now, the parent company has also said that it will be cooperating with the agencies for the investigation.
Well, that is right. Ajit Pawar was traveling in the chartered aircraft Learjet. The parent company of Learjet, that is Bombardier, has now responded, given out a statement saying that they'll be fully cooperating with the investigative agencies. Whatever communication comes in from, be it the AAIB, Aircraft Accident Investigation Bureau, or from the DGCA, or be it ICAO as well, which is the international regulatory body. Any kind of guidelines being issued, they will be fully re-communicating or communicating back with respect to a full cooperation in the entire probe process as well. Now, coming to the emotional scenes that have been noticed over here, my video journalist Anil Shinde is showing you. This is a Vidya Pratishthan ground, basically an educational hub in Baramati, wherein the final funeral will be conducted. Elaborate preparations have been made over here. People with emotional, teary eyes are waiting over here. We'll also try and speak to these people. Sir, अगर आपसे बात करेंगे, अजीत पवार का महत्व क्या था आपके लाइफ में, अगर हमें आप बताएंगे तो?
See, Dada used to start his every day early morning by 6 o'clock, 5:30. He's the first leader in India, I think, who is invited people to his own government home. Every people used to come by 5:30, 6 o'clock to the Devgiri, and thousands of people come. First, every people get their breakfast, tea. Then Dada used to come from second floor, first floor to down, and he start to see all the applications by maybe the 500 people, 100 people, maybe.
Well, certainly yes, a people's man, the son of Baramati, as well as an unexpected and a shocking demise has left these supporters of the Pawar family of Ajit Pawar are prominently very emotional here in the hometown of Ajit Pawar, that is Baramati.
Okay, all right. Arunil and Nilesh, do stay with us. Our live coverage continues. We're slipping into a short break. We'll be right back.